Hello friends, I am Santhiya. Now I am going to present about the grammar making request. Making request and rejecting, it may sound simple in informal situations. A child may request for a toy in the supermarket for which the parent can just say a simple no as an answer. But in formal situation, making a request is an art. Clarity is the first part of it. Be very clear and specific about what you ask for. Give the proper and necessary details. Your expectations decide outcomes and do not use unnecessary words in the request. You need to praise your request in the way that people will hear it. In the world of business, making requests play a big role. You have to keep many things in your mind. For example, first one, who is your audience? Why would they say yes to your request? Why would they say no? What motivates them? What demotivates them? Are they likely to say yes or not really want to say yes? If you are making request to a group of people who are the influence in the group, thus making request become a part of your leadership plan. When you ask someone to do something for you or ask if you can do something, it's important to sound polite. Some of the common expression to make request are: first one, would you open the door for me please? Second one, would you mind opening the door for me please? Can you open the door for me please? Can I use your computer please? Would I borrow some money from you please? Good is more polite than can. First one, do you mind if I turn on the heater? Would you mind if I turn on the heater? Do you mind if is followed by the verb in the present tense, but would you mind if is followed by the verb in the past tense. When you are using these two sentences, do not use please. It's already polite enough. Thank you, ma'am and friends.